100% better now that I actually brushed my teeth and put some moisturizer on. It's time to clean this up. I spilled it all over the dryer. That's nice. Because I woke up early, I'm gonna reward myself with some online shopping. I'm gonna use Coupert like I always do. Coupert is an online coupon company that automatically applies coupons and discounts as you're checking out, so you don't even have to search for them, which is so amazing and so convenient. I've saved so much time and money when I'm shopping on American Eagle, if I shop on Walmart, Amazon, because of all the different sellers on Amazon that sell the same exact items. Coupert eliminates the confusion and they will find the best seller with the best price and the best shipping, so you can save money like that. They've helped over 6 million customers and counting save money. Coupert also has another feature with certain websites and stores you can get cash back. To install Coupert as an extension on your browser, go to their website and click Add Extension. Once Coupert is downloaded, you will want to sign in as there are lots of perks as a member. You can complete lots of different tasks for extra cash, including surveys, completing certain levels on games, and there are specific deals curated just for you. Start saving today with Coupert. That's enough shopping for the day. Thank you so much, Coupert, for sponsoring this video. I have the link in my description so you can save too. Let's take this little munchkin out. Let's go. She used to hate the elevator, but now she loves it. Honey, sit. Good girl. My countertop is a disaster, as you can see, so we're gonna clean this up. Now that my background is clean, it looks 100% better. We're gonna do a little bit of a haul. These are all things that my mom got me for my apartment, and I'm so excited and so happy that she picked these things up for me because they were expensive things. Starting off, she got me a whole entire Ninja, which is amazing. I used it already. I made a banana peanut butter smoothie and it was so delicious. This is so perfect. It matches my kitchen so seamlessly. Next to the stove or over there? Honestly, it'll look cuter next to the sink. But is that safe? I'm sure it's safe. The sink is literally right here, but I only really get water on the back of the sink or the front, so I don't think it will really matter. And she got me these containers, which I already used one, and it's in the sink. They're pink tinted glass. I don't know if you can really tell. And then I have like the pink lids. They're perfect for meal prep because they can go in the freezer, microwave, all of that. And lastly, she got me a huge air fryer. This is so minimalistic and perfect for my kitchen. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look at how cute all the letters are. I love that. Even though these are dying, I still want to put them on my centerpiece. I also have this little frame that doesn't have a picture in it yet, but it's so adorable, so this is also going. So my counter space looks so cute now. Now let's go pick out an outfit. This is the outfit. I'm absolutely obsessed with this little sweater that I have. I've been wearing it nonstop. Let me show you the full view. Look at how adorable this is. I'm gonna pair it with my little black Adidas campus. And then I have this little Addicted mini skirt. This top is from American Eagle a couple of years ago. And then the little cardigan is also Addicted. Since I'm over here, I figured I'd pick up my mail. I'm like in the mailroom right now, so let's see what goodies I got. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't know where I'm going. Looking up directions right now, Victoria's Secret actually has, oh, never mind, they're closed. Closed. Guys! I'll just go to Ross and TJ Maxx, I guess. Let's see if they're open. I'm actually so disappointed because I was planning on going to Victoria's Secret all day. They're open till 9:30, so I know how to get there, so let's go. Guys, there's a Rita's right next door to my apartments, and when I tell you I've been probably 15 times already, it's bad. Rita's is my obsession. All of their ices are gluten-free. Okay, anyways, sorry for letting you guys fall. Made it to TJ Maxx, and Ross is right there. Just have one little return to TJ Maxx. Of course I need a card. Okay, I'm at the sunglasses spot. I'm gonna get a cute one. These are cute, these are Hassel. $10. They're going in my cart. Too tight on my head. Too basic. I feel bougie in these. I love this little makeup bag, but I definitely don't need it. I have like 3 makeup bags. This is actually adorable and perfect for my jewelry. This is also really cute. These are adorable. I'm obsessed. I don't really love the bottom though, but the color is perfect. Look at these cute Reeboks. I love this colorway. More Reeboks. Little flats are absolutely adorable. They don't even fit on my feet. Never mind. I love this bar stool. I've learned my lesson and I'm not getting one bar stool, hoping to find the others because that doesn't work. This is hard. I don't like any of these. These are my 2 options, either that one or that one, but I don't really like either of them. I need trash cans for my 2 bathrooms, and these are pretty cute. They have a lid, which is really nice. They open like with your foot. They're like $12. This little PJ set is so cute. I love this little design on it. This is precious. Oh my gosh, I love the little embroidery detail. Headed to the dressing room. Everything I'm trying on. This top is absolutely adorable, but it is too big on me. They only have mediums or larges, but just look at all the details. I love the extra band right here, and then the way this puffs out. If they had this in a small, I would definitely be buying it. The only thing is that the pockets are really small, which is kind of frustrating, but it has a little hood in the back, and I like the crop of it. I wanted this to be more form-fitting and flattering, but it's really just not. It kind of just is boxy and hangs on me, and it's an extra small, which I sized down. So definitely gonna pass on this as well. The little PJ shorts are attached to the top. Do I rip it? Yeah. Let me put these on quick. Definitely gonna be a no for me. I feel like I look ridiculous. So that was a total fail. Now it's time for Ross. They have Birkenstocks in here. Oh my goodness. Should I get pink knives? Probably not, right? Ross has so many PJs right now that look exactly like Randy. These strawberries are so cute. Hello? No way they have garage denim for $8. This top is also really cute. It reminds me of Free People, those viral tops, if you know what I'm talking about. They literally have Free People intimately in here. Okay, let's try all of these on. This is way too tight on me in the arms and on the neck, and also I don't drink Dr. Pepper, so I don't know why I grabbed it. This little top definitely had potential, but it's just too big on me, like it gaps too much. But look at how cute the lace and detailing is. Okay, Free People disappointed me here because this is not cute, and it's also very, very see-through. Wait, this is actually so cute. It's the perfect boxy baby t-shirt. I wasn't even gonna try it on. Did we get her?